There's one thing most guitarists never fix, and it is the reason why a lot of their solos don't make sense at all. If you are part of this category where you are struggling to solo, you don't understand how to make sense of your solos, I want you to watch this video carefully. I'm going to show you a very simple trick that the pros use to sound musical with their playing. By the end of this video, you are going to be playing like a pro. So pick up your guitar and let's start right away. So when it comes to the subject of soloing, a lot of guitarists usually think about more scales and more licks. It's not bad, but that is not actually how to go about it. The pros, on the other hand, they use a very simple trick that makes their playing sound musical. And what is that trick? They make use of triads in their playing. So what we are going to do right now is I'm going to play a backing track and I'll explain how the pros do it, and I'll allow you to play along so that you understand properly. So let's get started. So I'm playing in the key of C major. So first things first, don't play anything, just listen to the chord progression. Okay, so these are the chords I was playing, and A minor, then the next chord is an F, then the next chord is a C, okay, then the next chord is a G. Now, what most beginners do is when they hear a chord progression like this, they start playing pentatonic, and they end up sounding like they're playing an exercise, but that is not what we want to do. I want to show us how the pros do it, alright? Are you ready? So the first things first, understand triads. Play this shape for A minor. Then when the F is playing, this shape. Then this shape. For the C, then this shape. For the G, alright? If you don't know how to play any of these, I've already created videos, so just check the videos out. Check how to play triads using this link above, alright? So we're going to apply it now, okay? Are you ready? Something like this. So this is what the pros do. Alright. So 1, 2, they go. Right? First thing, that's the first step. So understand how these triads go. Alright, so I'm going to play the interesting one, the step 2. Now, step 2 goes like this. Alright? Can you hear what I'm doing? Okay. Let me go again. Alright, another one. Are you hearing what I'm doing? Ooh. Then, alright, so you are going to do exactly what I just did. So instead of playing up and down, I want you to play, when the A minor is playing, play around the note. When the F is playing, when the C, like that. So let me play the chord progression for you. This is your turn. Okay, then you play the next chord. So one more time, I want you to try it again for A minor. Let's go. A minor, then an F. Ready? Okay, then the next one is a C. Alright, then the next one is a G. So instead of it playing it like that, I want you to add more dynamics. So what I'm doing, I'm playing around with the other. Playing only 2 notes. Right? So your turn. Now your turn. Play the notes in different order. Alright? So what is making this scene interesting is that I'm adding things like slides. Can you see what I'm doing? So before I approach the note, then for my G, now at the end you can now start adding pentatonic. This is now when you can now add the pentatonic licks, all those your pentatonic licks. So, sorry for going fast. Now try. You're going to play the triad, then play a pentatonic lick, then the other triad, then another lick, then another triad, then another lick, something like that. Just play and see. Don't overthink it. Just play something simple, okay? So I'm going to play the chord progression for you now and play along. Let's go. So, okay. One more time. Okay. So this is exactly how the pros do it. You will observe that I was not using scales like my emphasis was not on the pentatonic scale. My emphasis was on the notes that make up each chord, the triads, and you can notice that it sounds more musical, right? Yeah, so this is exactly how the pros do it. So if you've watched to this point, it means that you want to go deeper. I've created a course on how to solo, how to play all of these things, how to play pentatonic scales, triads, how to solo with all of them. And I'm going to link it below. If you're watching this video and you have not subscribed, please help me subscribe right now because I want to get to 50,000 subscribers by the half of the year. And if you want to go deeper with soloing and become better at soloing, I would advise you to watch this next video right away.